Hello, friends! Welcome back to Quizzical Galaxy. Today we have an exciting Choose Your Gift challenge. Are you ready to open your mystery gift boxes? You can choose between pink, golden, or black gifts. Choose your girlfriend. This choice already broke the internet. Name your crush. Choose your boyfriend. True love or just luck? Choose your car. Speed plus status, next level. Choose your dream house. Everyone's ultimate dream. Choose your gaming room. Gamers don't skip this. Choose your challenge. Which challenge you got, you will do that. Choose your mobile phone. Daily life can't survive without this. Choose your luxury watch. Time just became expensive. Choose your necklace. Pure luxury unlocked. Choose your wedding dress. This one hits straight to the heart. Choose your motorbike. For real road lovers. Choose your branded sneakers. Drip level max. Choose your smart door lock. Future home unlocked. Choose your designer dress. Instant glow up. Choose your handbag. Fashion speaks louder here. Choose your leather jacket. Attitude comes free. Choose your sunglasses. Style plus confidence combo. Choose your ring. Simple but priceless. Choose your smartwatch. Future on your wrist. Choose your perfume set. Smell that luxury. Choose your winter coat. Warm look, hot style. Choose your luxury sofa. Comfort just upgraded. Choose your king-size bed. Sleep like royalty. Choose your dining table set. Family vibes unlocked. Choose your wardrobe closet. Every fashion lover needs this. Choose your shoe collection. Too many is never enough. Choose your vanity table. Glow up starts here. Choose your luxury curtains. Home vibes changed instantly. Choose your wall mirror. Check your drip. Choose your luxury lamp. Night vibes on. Choose your jewelry box, where treasures sleep. Choose your headphones. Volume up, world off. Choose your favorite app. You can't live without this. Choose your ice cream. Mood booster alert. Choose your delicious food. Hunger says yes. Choose your coffee mug. Small thing, big comfort. Choose your travel suitcase. Adventure calling. Choose your fashion backpack. Style on the go. Choose your indoor plants. Fresh vibes only. Choose your bathroom. Relax mode on. Choose your bathtub. Luxury self-care vibes. Choose your office. Choose your office. Choose you mouse. Choose you cycle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun and gifts.